Welcome to my YouTube channel, and this particular video I'll be sharing with you about a new project called the ChainPhon project. I tell you, this is an early project that in fact we are very lucky if you are watching this particular video now about this particular ChainPhon project, which they are also in partnership with the Chain. So I'll be sharing with you one or two things on how you could start mining this phone project, and you can convert it to either of this particular three coin. You can convert this your phone token to either Bitcoin, Ethereum, and USDT. So before I will be sharing with you how you could start mining and everything that you need to know. So downloading and having this particular app on your particular phone is somehow difficult. So for you to have it on your mobile phone, I did, because I'll be dropping my referral link for you to have it like this. Let me show you first what you need to do, and that I will be sharing with you at the end of this particular video. So let me quickly show you on how to start. Remember, I will be dropping my referral link in the description of this particular video on how you could actually start. You have to tap on mine, just like how we need to do. So you could see that my mining has actually started, and every 12 hour I have to actually come and tap on this particular mining, so that my mining could also start. So the next thing you need to know is that you have to come to this place. That is where you can swap your phone's token. You could see this phone token here. You can actually swap here. So now you can actually swap it to, you could see here that Bitcoin is showing, Ethereum is also in, and USDT. Let's say for example I want to swap one. Remember, I don't have 100 phone. 100 phone will give me around 200 USDT. You can see here 100 phone will give us around 100 USDT, and you can actually tap on swap and it will actually swap immediately. And when you come to this other section here, please sit back, because I will show you on how you could actually download the app just the way you see it on my phone. So when you tap on this particular one, it's talking about friends. So this is my referral code. Remember, I'll be dropping the description link on this particular video. So you just have to tap on copy. You copy it. I've copied my request, and the most risky part of it is that with every new referrals, your mining time is reduced by 30 minutes. For example, if you have 3 referrals, your mining time is, you see, the more referrals you have, the more your your mining time get reduced. So that is that for that. And when you come to this back to the home page, you can actually send your phone out and send it to other people. Let's, for example, I want to send that. When you tap on this, your send, you could see the person must have sent you his phone address, and this is where you tap the amount of phone you want to send, and you tap here, you put the amount and you send. And if somebody wants to send you phone, you actually tap on receive, and you could see now for my receive, now this is my address. I just need to copy it, send it to somebody. And if you want to send to me, this is what you actually tap on your end also. So this is this for that. And this particular project, I tell you that is very early. You can just go to their X account for more information. So when you tap, you could see on their X account they are around 2,500 followers, which I tell you they are very early. And this project started join May 2025. You can see these people are developing a very huge thing. That is why you just have to take this opportunity now, because I will be creating more video on this particular project. So this is how to start mining. So for you to download, if you have actually use my link and it will bring you to a particular page, just tap it to give you instruction on what you have to do. Just tap I already have an account, then log in with any of your email account, then it will bring you to an interface here. So what you just need to do is to come to this particular 3 dots here. Let me quickly show you. After I have shown you this home page, I want to have it as app, you show you these 3 dots here. So you tap on the 3 dot, then what you need to do next is what you say, add to home screen. Yes, immediately tap on add to home screen, you tap on this. You could see this app is already installed, so you you tap on it, you tap this app is already, when you tap on it, it will tell you to install. That is how to download it. Then it will show on your mobile phone as app. You start mining, and if you love it, you could create it just the way I created my own folder here, where I have all my mining projects in one particular folder. You could create yours. So if this was really helpful, please kindly like, share, click on the bell notification so that you get notified anytime I upload any other new video. And also please kindly drop your comment in the comment to tell me what stand out for you in this particular video, or if you have any question, please kindly ask in this video. Thank you. Bye bye for now.